Submitting documents to Instagram for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Access your account settings. Log into your Instagram account and navigate to your profile. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu, then select Settings. Step 2. Find Account Verification. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Account. Look for the option labeled Request Verification and tap on it to begin the verification process. Step 3. Fill out the verification form. You will be prompted to fill out a form with your account name, account category, and a brief description of why you need verification. Make sure to provide accurate and complete information. Step 4. Upload required documents. Instagram will ask you to upload documents that verify your identity. This may include a government-issued ID or other relevant documents. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Submit your request. Once you have filled out the form and uploaded the necessary documents, review your information for accuracy. Then, tap the Send button to submit your verification request. After following these steps, you will receive a notification from Instagram regarding the status of your verification request. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to review your submission.